Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of May 18th through the 24th in my vertical neutral Erin Condren life planner. This is a kit that I used by the Giving Girl. I will have this video linked down below if you'd like to see me do the whole pre-planning process. I'll have a little card pop up too if I remember. And so I'm going to take you day by day and show you what I use when I fill in all these blank white spaces and memory plan in my Erin Condren. So first up, starting with Monday, I did record and what do you call it? Like made a new YouTube intro. If you are a previous visitor of mine, watcher, you know what I'm talking about, subscriber, hopefully you noticed it. Let me know if you like it. So yeah, I'm just using like a little mini box that comes in the kit. And then I have this cute little play button with a bow on it from the Grateful Planner, which I got that in like a freebie and it's so cute. I need to order more for stickers. So I'm just writing in that on Monday I made my new YouTube intro. I'm also going to use a box in the kit that's got this little flag already in it, and I'm using a dust script from, who is this shop? Sorry, that is Planner Sister Sticker or Stickers. I'm not sure. I received that script sheet in some Happy Meal from a friend, so I don't even know if they're still open, but if there are, I'll link them down below. I always link all of the shops that I mentioned in my videos down below. Then I'm going to use a pretty flag in the kit. There's a bunch of flags in the kit already. And I'm using a Simply Gilded sticker where there's like the juniper bunny, like kind of peeking out of an Amazon box. Because I received 2 Amazon deliveries on that day. I don't even remember what they were, but I was like excited for them. So I marked that I got those 2 deliveries. Then for my gratitude for the day, I wrote that I was grateful for a successful dinner since we tried out a new recipe. And hold on, let me tell you about what we ate, because if I'm going to mention it, might as well, right? So we tried egg roll in a bowl for the first time. Of course, we made it like our little vegan / vegetarian plant-based version because my husband and I don't eat meat. But it was really good. Even my son liked it, and I was just surprised. So that was a great recipe, and it was very Weight Watchers friendly. So that was a good one. So then moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to use another one of those mini boxes in the kit. I just love those so much. And I'm going to take a little like, what are these called? Dumbbells or like weight or whatever. That comes on the clear sticker sheet that comes in the kit. Just to mark, we had to take out my son's dresser and his bed because we repainted his room. So we had to take those things out. I wish I had layered more because it just looks like this tiny little dumbbell in the box, and it's like, oh, I wish I had put like a circle behind it or something. I don't know. But anyways, I do end up rearranging that because I wanted like more stuff and it wouldn't fit. Then I'm going to take one of these beautiful transparent dots from the Giving Girl, as well as a cute little balloon from Cozy Paper Co. Like it's a clear sampler, just to write that I needed to pick up balloons and cake for my son because his Wednesday was his graduation of 5th grade. Then I wanted to go ahead and mark that my son had a meeting with his teacher and I didn't have room. So I'm going to use just scooch everything around, and then I'm going to use a flag from the Giving Girl, one of her bow accent flags, and then a meeting script from Rose Color Days. Just because that was his last meeting with his teacher, because Wednesday was his last day. Such a sad and proud day at the same time. And then I wanted to just kind of break up a little bit of that space where nothing could really fit. So I'm just going to use a clear, sparkly divider from the Giving Girl. And then for my gratitude for Tuesday, I just put that I was grateful that we were ready to paint. I don't know. It just feels like we have been working so hard, like literally taken us a couple of weeks to get his room in order. And then finally, once we'd gotten lots of clothes and toys donated and then found spots to put the toys in the meantime, and then we were able to get out this old dresser that's all beat up and he needs a new one, and then we were able to get out that old bed because he's getting a new bed. It's like, finally we can paint. So it was like just a good feeling to be finally ready to just renovate the room. So that's as of currently recording this, the room is completely painted now. I do have to like touch up the edges though, with some white paint where we just kind of like, goofed up, but otherwise it is all done. So if you ever want to see me doing things around the house and stuff, I do share that on my Instagram and my stories, so you can follow me there. Then moving on to Wednesday, I already had that last day sticker there, but I'm going to use a little like sad crying girl from A Joyful Planner just because I did cry when my son had his big wave goodbye, where I drove him to the school and all the fifth grade teachers were out there waving goodbye and playing music and, congratulating the kids, as they drove through the parking lot. And it was just so touching that they all did that. I saw both of my son's teachers there and I just couldn't believe it. He didn't get the graduation that I wanted to see him get as, a fifth grader moving on to middle school, but I'm still proud of him. And I did cry. And then I'm going to use my triple air from my Noose Addiction as well as a heart doily from the Giving Girl to mark that I uploaded my B6 TN flip through. And then I'm going to take a skinny appointment label from the kit as well as this plate. It looks like a plate of spaghetti and meatballs to me, but it's just some kind of food with steam coming from it. That came on the clear sticker sheet from the kit as well, to mark that we went to Olive Garden for late lunch, early dinner. It was around 3 or 4. And that's just, to celebrate my son's graduation because he loves Olive Garden. It's one of his favorite restaurants. So we wanted to, treat him out. And then I'm just going to put in a checklist because I needed to just mark a few things that I wouldn't have enough space to put in that little area, so just put checklist. And I just wrote in that my son had a haircut. Well, I'm the one who cuts his hair, so I just buzz it with some clippers. And it was also SBC Misfits, so I did shop for the SBC is short for Scribble Prince Co. In case you didn't know, she's a very well-known shop in our community. And she had a really great sale on Wednesday for Misfit grab bags. Mystery though, so I'm kind of nervous to see what I'm gonna get, but it's just a great price, so I did want to, pick something up. And then the third thing on the checklist was what I just wrote as phase 7, which I've been kind of doing my son's room in phases. Phase 1 was the clothing donation, and phase 2 was the toy donation. Anyways, so phase 7 was painting day. So we started painting my son's room. The reason I changed the skinny label from that tan-ish color, not even tan, it's a really, really light color, whatever that is, to that pink was because it's so light that you can't even, it looks like it might as well be white space. So I was like, whatever, I'm just gonna put the pink one in. And so that was everything for my Wednesday. And then for my gratitude, I wrote, sorry if you can hear the car outside, I wrote amazing teachers because, like I said, his teachers just did such a good job with him this year. It was such a turnaround from 3rd and 4th grade. And I'm just so grateful that he had amazing teachers. So for Thursday, I'm going to do another checklist because I had another list of things to do that wouldn't have room if I was just kind of, put them each in themselves. So I needed to connect my printer because I got my new MacBook. And so it is a wireless printer. So I had to go and, do that connection, the whole process. Then I needed to print my son's pictures from the first day of school and the last day of school because I have that little first day, last day project in the front of my Erin Condren, which I did show in my 2019 to 2020 setup of my Erin Condren. So I had a little, school section for him. And then I finished the project, the whole first day, last day thing. I think it looks great. And I'm so glad that I did it because I can look back on that now and just be like, oh, look, his first day of 5th grade, his last day of 5th grade, So then I also used another mini box, which again, you can hardly even tell it's there, but whatever. And a switch doodle from Wild Summer Designs. I love her doodles. And then I'm just going to use a little Giving Girl bow over it because it's cute. Just to write in that I did get a game for my son as a graduation present. I think I actually got it on Wednesday, but I don't know. I just didn't have room, so I put it in Thursday, I guess. So we did get him a game for his Switch. Then I did receive some Happy Meal. I don't remember from what shop, but whatever. I just might as well mark it. So I'm going to take a skinny label from the kit and then one of these super dainty little adorable bow arrows from Cozy Paper Co. That's from an old $1 Wednesday, and they're just so freaking cute for pointing at little things and layering. It's just so adorable. And then I'm going to take a Happy Meal script from Rose Colored Days and just simply mark that in there. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this last, I don't know if they're dividers or what, but in the kit, in her older formats from the Giving Girl, she's got these 3 things at the top that are kind of dividers, kind of maybe headers. I don't know. You could I use them as dividers. So I used 2 of them in the sidebar and I'm using the last one just as a divider. I don't know. So I'm just going to use that as a little divider there. And then I'm going to take another flag from the kit and then another doodle from Wild Summer Designs with a little taco because we got some Del Taco. And I love, again, I love her doodles. Make sure if you get anything from Wild Summer Designs, you join her Facebook group, because she's an exclusive code for 50% off your order, like anytime, whenever you want to use it. So her stickers are so affordable. And then she's got hand doodles and really great quality. Love her. I've been shopping with her for years, like probably since 2018 or 2017, really long time. Anyways, and then I'm just going to sprinkle some little Giving Girl dainty little bows on the clear sticker paper just over the kitty because it's cute. And then for my gratitude, I just put that I was grateful for the kindness of good people, just because, you know, I don't know, I was feeling myself, I was in my feelings that day, and I just thought, like, man, I'm happy for, you know, the good people of the world. So I really was just happy for that. Then I didn't really have much room to do anything for Friday, so I just put in one of those Giving Girl clear sparkly dividers and then just checked off a few things. And my gratitude for Friday was the new moon energy, since it was a new moon. I was just kind of happy to be like charging my crystals up again, and, you know, just that new moon energy, setting new intentions. So then moving on to Saturday, I did just kind of tidy up the house a little bit. So I'm using a vacuum by Sticker Insanity, who is unfortunately no longer open, as well as a tidy up script from Sweet Fox Papery. And then I'm going to take a like cute little kiss cut bow underneath it from the Giving Girl, and I'm going to do like double bow inception and use another clear little dainty bow from the Giving Girl. I just think it looks so cute, because I wish that those little bows were foiled, but they're not. So I'm like, I'm going to put a foiled bow on it, and it's going to be so cute. Then I'm going to take a half box in the kit just to write that I did sign my son up for the summer reading program, since the libraries offer a free summer reading program while the kids are, you know, out for summer, to keep them reading and keep them engaged and doing fun activities that are free. So I love this book stack from Cozy Paper Co. from another $1 Wednesday. They're just like, the books are so cute, the perfect colors, and they have this like dainty little sprinkly foil on them. I love them. So anyways, he did sign up for the summer reading program. That's going to be fun because they get to get free books when they like pass certain milestones. And then once you complete the whole like sheet, you can be entered for the grand prize. So it's going to be fun for him. I had to share my weekend like gratitude. So I just put that I was grateful for music for Saturday. And then on to Sunday, I'm going to use another transparent dot from the Giving Girl. Then I'm going to drop that sheet of clear stickers, as you saw, and use a money bag, because I did receive, or not I received, I deposited, mobile deposited a check from this collection company that my husband and I have been paying for like 5 years. And then the last payment we overpaid them, so they refunded us. So that was so good to finally be done with them and get that refund. And then I'm going to take a movie marquee from a shop that I don't know. I just had like leftovers, and that's why it was on that sheet of paper. And then I put like a strip from the Giving Girl, like a washi strip underneath it. And I'm just going to write in the Originals series finale, which is an older show, but I did get into the Vampire Diaries and the Originals, and I just never ended up finishing the shows. And I did finish the Vampire Diaries, and then we were like, let's finish the Originals now. And so we finished the Originals, and I put that I was grateful for a shelter for my Sunday gratitude. And yeah, I actually ended up liking the Originals better. I used to love the Vampire Diaries until the last season. It just kind of sucked. But the Originals was like great. Every season, the whole season, it was amazing. Let me know if you've seen the shows, which one you prefer. Anyways, that is it for this memory plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you did, because it helps me out. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss more of my videos. And I will see you hopefully in the next video. All right, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.